An AED is a self-contained medical device that's capable of administering a shock to patients with certain irregular heartbeats. Irregular heartbeats can lead to death. However, the shock can correct the rhythm back to its regular state. You've probably seen AEDs in red boxes on the way into public buildings. They're commonly seen around, and that's for a good reason. Under the correct circumstances, an AED can drastically change the outcome of someone who experiences cardiac arrest. There are many resources, local and federal, that keep track of AED locations. Many local governments require AEDs to be registered and tracked, as they are seen as medical devices. In many locations, training is required for AED use. Typically, locations are marked with a sign using both text and imagery. Some AEDs have batteries stored externally and inserted when the AED is deployed. Others plug into a wall outlet to ensure a constant charge. No matter the design, all AEDs are engineered for fast use with text and pictorial guides, as well as speech guidance.